Excited. We are going to take you for a ride with us on the brand new Regal 42XO. This is a new model just introduced about a year ago. Today we're running from Lighthouse Point down to Haulover Marina near Haulover Inlet to get ready to deliver this boat to its new owner. So join us. We're going to try to get some great drone footage. We're going to get some interior shots. We're going to try to give you a little flavor of the Regal 42XO. It's my first time on a Regal 42 as well. I've used all their other boats, but I've never run the 42, so I'm excited as well. So come along for the adventure with us. Thank you. It's towards Haulover Inlet, and I have to admit, I'm a little spoiled. I'm used to running open boats or partially open boats. This enclosed air-conditioned cabin and help station of the 42XO will spoil you for long rides. We're fully air-conditioned. We're not getting blasted by wind and spray. She's doing really good running into a 2-foot swell, even though it's at an odd angle. We're running at 35 miles per hour. We have our Seakeeper engaged, which tightens everything up and makes it really easy to go really far. All right, we have another update for you on our 42XO. We are almost to Haulover Inlet. You may be able to see Haulover Marina right behind me there. And the 42XO is the sedan version of the 42. There's also a 42 FXO flybridge. And obviously flybridges are very fun, and a lot of people really prefer that configuration. But I can see some advantages to this sedan configuration as well. Number one, if you don't use the flybridge, why have that extra weight and wind resistance? So you have a boat that runs a little more efficiently. But the other thing is that a flybridge increases your center of gravity dramatically, so the boat tends to roll a little more side to side because your center of gravity is higher. The other nice thing is that our sedan version has this killer sunroof that is super fun when you want to get fresh air and sunshine, or on a clear starry night you want to see those beautiful stars. We have our sunroof option. And I'll tell you, we ran from Hillsborough Inlet to Haulover Inlet very quickly and very comfortably. I'll tell you, I can see how this type of boat is so appealing. It can really spoil you. You are bringing a very comfortable boat with you with all the amenities and running just effortlessly. You can run distances if you want to do adventures to the Bahamas or the Keys or the Dry Tortugas. I'll tell you, this is an amazing adventure machine. So we've really enjoyed our 42XO.